Hello YouTube, my name is Fabian Camelo and today I'm going to talk about business intelligence dashboards, also known as BI dashboards. First, we should know what it means business intelligence. Well, I'm going to mention some historic facts about business intelligence. Second, I will explain what a dashboard is and some features and components of BI dashboard. And finally, I'm going to talk about the benefits and limitations of BI dashboards. Well, let's begin. Well, the BI dashboard displays on one screen the status of key performance indicators, the KPIs, and other important business metrics and data points for an organization's department, team, or process. Now, let's talk about BI. BI, or business intelligence, is a set of processes, architectures, and technologies that convert raw data into meaningful information that drives profitable business actions. Let's talk about history of BI. In 1865, Richard Evans used the term for first time to describe the successful of a company that understands the market and their conditions. Later, during the World War II, the Allies collected encrypted data of Nazis. They examined those encrypted data and detected for trends, identifying useful information within those trends. These advances can be seen in the movie The Imitation Game, that tells the story of a great mathematician, Alan Turing, one of the most important mathematicians in fact, who helps to develop the computational science. In 1956, IBM invented hard disk drives allow for storage of vast amount of data. Despite of today the solid-state drives are a novelty and more powerful, the hard disk drives are widely used. In the decade of 70s and 80s, the green bar reports were invented. These reports were used for things like tracking inventory of stocks items, listing the assets and liabilities of a corporation. And finally, between the decade of 90s and 2010, the evolution was accelerated given that the new technologies create a new paradigm about the data analysis. For instance, big data, machine learning, artificial intelligence, data warehouse, data lakes, and of course, business intelligence dashboards, among others. Alright, well, let's talk about BI dashboard features and components. Essential features of modern BI dashboard software include a customizable interface, dashboard templates to accelerate the design process, and the ability to pull in both historical and real-time data. Dashboard tools also offer libraries of widgets, icons, and images that can be added to dashboard to automate functions and improve usability and visual appeal, as well as tabs, pull-down menus, and other navigation features. Let's talk about connections to data source. Depending on the data that users need to see, BI dashboards can be connected to data warehouse or servers, data marts and data lakes, the most common analytics data stores, or the operational systems, industrial equipment, and external data feeds for more up-to-date information. Information in real time. Data visualization. Okay, dashboards can be configured with various types of data visualization to show different performance metrics, statistics, and other information important for a company. Supported visualization range from basic line and bar charts to more elaborate graphics such as bubble charts, heat maps, and scatter plots. Let's talk about data tables. BI dashboards may also incorporate tables of data that provide a glance look at relevant data values. The tabular data often includes color coding or other graphical treatments to highlight specific information, for example, to flag a decline in sales or financial losses. In statistics, the information is really important, the visualization too. Drill down capabilities. Okay, this feature enables users to get more information or look at analyze detailed data by clicking on a data visualization. Doing so takes them to additional visualizations or data tables, often arranged in a hierarchical fashion so people can drill down multiple levels if they want to. The next feature is data filters. It's really important to all kinds of tables. Another interactive feature, filters enable users to customize date and time ranges, geographic settings, and other parameters in data visualization to get a more focused view of the information being presented. Let's talk about text boxes and tooltips. Okay, dashboards often include standalone text boxes and pop-up information tooltips that explain the data being visualized or provide additional information and context about the analytics results. So let's talk about the benefits and limitations of BI dashboards. Well, first of all, BI dashboards are increasingly seen as critical tools to help enterprises and companies derive valuable business insights from their growing storehouses of data, including sets of big data that often combine the structured data commonly used in BI applications with unstructured and semi-structured forms of data. For instance, data in text. Well-designed dashboards provide various business benefits. For example, they enable better informed decision making and strategic planning by business executives. They make number-intensive data and business analytics metrics easily comprehensible for users who aren't skill analysts. They help identify business trends so an organization can take action to capitalize on opportunities and address problems. The BI dashboards is the deployment and use of self-service BI applications by business analysts, managers, and workers too. And they support more collaborative data analysis and decision-making processes through increased information sharing with the other companies or institutions. And finally, the BI dashboard provides multiple data visualization possibilities to make data more understandable and useful to the companies. But dashboards also pose challenges for both BI teams and business users. The potential drawbacks of BI dashboards don't necessarily result from the design of the software, but rather from how dashboards are used and the cost of creating, implementing, and maintaining them. In many enterprises, BI and IT professionals still design and update dashboards for users and also are responsible for documenting dashboards and tracking their usage. Other challenges that organizations face in building effective dashboards include, among others, overly flashy or cluttered dashboard design that makes dashboards hard to use, embedding too much visual information and not constraining the associated raw data to what's needed. The table is important to a chart, for example, and providing context to make it clear how KPIs and other data are relevant to end users. Difficulty and creating drill-down paths to plumb the data underlying surface metrics. And finally, misrepresenting data in dashboard or leaving out relevant data, leading to inaccurate analytics. That is a problem too. So let's talk about use cases and relevance of BI dashboards. Alright, the organizations, the enterprises, the companies deploy a variety of operational analytical dashboards to support decision making at the enterprise level and in the individual departments or processes. Major vendors of modern analytics and BI platforms all offer BI dashboards and dashboard design tools as part of their product lineups. That includes Tableau, Microsoft, Kulik, IBM, MicroStrategy, Oracle, SAP, SAP, SAS, Sisense, TIBCO, and Salesforce. The use of business intelligence dashboards is widely extended in all kinds of companies, even in the public institutions. That happens because the BI dashboard is widely useful to know in real time what is the status of KPIs, the key performance indicators. For example, the data relate with budget, investments, efficiency, effectivity, quality, among others. The BI dashboards are seen as critical tools to enterprise now valuable business from their own warehouses of data, including structured, unstructured, and semi-structured forms of data. In that way, the BI dashboards are quite important to make decisions and strategic planning. It's quite interesting for me now this application that combines the data process with software technologies and business management in general. I think that BI dashboard take the best parts, and the result is a tool very useful, very complete to make decisions based on real data. That is all for today. Thank you very much for share and see this video and watch this video. So don't forget, please like the video and see you around. Bye.